Ever since the day that my life changed, I'm walking in faith and now I can't.
Yes guys, welcome back to another adventure. Yeah, today we're here in the kitchen and we're gonna be cooking up some food again. Today is Sunday, by the way guys. I don't know what day it is, what time it is, wherever you are watching, but yeah, welcome back to Chef Royal channel. Today guys, come in with the camera, come in cameraman. Today we're gonna be cooking some oven jerk chicken today, because outside the weather is not right to do nothing like that. It's raining, it's cold, it's windy. Yeah, out there's rough today, honestly. But yeah, today we're gonna be cooking up some oven jerk chicken today with some rice and peas, and here we got some chicken thighs that's been skinned off. The skin has been taken off, and also we cleaned it already, wash it in lemon and vinegar. And then here come a bit closer so you can see this. So here we got all our seasoning as well. We got some herbs, some garlic granules, some paprika, some chicken season, some chili flakes, a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning as well. And here in this bowl here we've got our homemade jerk seasoning. Yeah, you hear that? Homemade jerk seasoning. Another time I'll give you the recipe for this one, but this one I don't like to share because it's a family secret, this one. All right guys, so here we're just gonna go ahead and just add all our seasoning mix in here, really. Yeah, that's it guys. And then just gonna get my hands in here. You can wear gloves if you want to. I don't really, it doesn't bother me anyway, to be honest with you. It's up to you. There you go guys, well seasoned to the bone. Yeah, well nice and spicy. Yeah, lovely. Here it is guys. So this is our chicken in a tray arranged. You could just about to put in the oven now. Low and slow. Yeah, let it just take its time and cook. We don't want to cook it too high so it burn up on the inside is raw. We just want to do it low and slow. Yeah, and turn it every so often, frequently. And then we're gonna make some sauce as well in a bit to brush onto it as well, to keep it moist and juicy. Yeah, so this is our peas that's been cooking. We've been cooking it now for over an hour. This is the peas and coconut milk with the scallions and your thyme, pimento, and a bit of all-purpose seasoning in here as well, guys. Look at it. So it's been over an hour now, and I think they are cooked. Yeah, the peas are cooked. So we're gonna go ahead in a minute and put the rice in as well. So guys, the rice is going in now. Yeah, we're gonna make some jerk sauce now, some honey butter jerk sauce. So we're gonna start off with a bit of butter in the pan. Yeah, so this is it, with the butter in there, or honey, you know, seasoning, jerk seasoning, and so on in here. So this is our butter, honey, jerk sauce. That's going to go in the chicken, and also we can have a bit as well on the side as well. Lovely. Almost finished out the oven now, so we're gonna use, all it is just a bit of thyme I've got here. Yeah, the herb thyme, and yeah, just gonna use it and brush on that sauce, that honey barbecue jerk sauce. that I made. There it is, the brushing it on, guys. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Look at that. I could use a brush if I want to. I have got a brush, but you know, I'd rather use something like this. Yes, look at that, guys. Juicy and succulent. That's it, guys. Literally just a little bit more on the others, and then finish. Almost there. There you go. Thinking about another, say, 10-15 minutes. It's ready. Look at it, guys. Zoom out the camera and zoom in and out and show them. Yes, beautiful, nice. All right guys, so yeah, dinner is ready now, guys. Boy, hot in the kitchen, I'm telling you, so hot. But yeah, it's ready. So here it is. So we've got our oven jerk, well tasty and spicy and juicy, and you know, well seasoned to the bone as well, guys. Here we got some roasters, some roast potatoes. We got some sweet potato there and some normal potato as well. Yeah. And here on the side we got some coconut rice and peas. You see steaming, guys. Look at that. Well fluffy, guys. Look at that. Full of seasoning and coconut and you know what I mean, all the good stuff. Yeah, man. And then here we've got our jerk honey barbecue sauce as well. Yeah. Then some side salad here as well, the lettuce, tomato, cucumber and so on, and some avocado, as we call it in Jamaica, pear. Yeah. All right, guys. Yes, guys, so here it is. Plate is ready. So here we've got coconut rice and peas. We got a fresh salad here. We got roast sweet potato and normal potato, some avocado, and of course the jerk chicken here, guys. Oven jerk chicken with our honey barbecue jerk sauce here as well, guys. This is what I want. I'm so excited to test first. This is it here, guys. Beautiful, honestly. So soft and tender as well, guys. It's a small piece I want. Yeah, there you go. Guys, lovely. I'll try the rice and peas. Yeah, this is it, guys. So yeah, the next time, you don't know, Chef Royal here in the kitchen. Have a blessed Sunday. We out.
I can't let myself fall back in that mind state. Ever since the day that my life changed, I'm walking